I can get 1 pack of cards today.
Let's take and start the WWE card collector! Yeah! I got 3 more packs from Bigw today for $6. What a freaking waste of money! Let's go! Unpack this shit right now. Fucking goddamn. What will I get today? Let's find out. Bigw Australia. Flavor chocolate! 3-pack, here we go. Opening up the first pack. Ooh! Women's division. Oh, what? You gotta be fucking kidding me. Can't open the fuckers up. Here we go, here we go. Thank you for tuning in. Why can't I open these fucking stupid cards? God damn it, here we go. Let's start off with... Here we go, here we go. Yes! Yeah, look at this! Oh my god! It's Jeff Hardy! Shiny! Yeah! You guys are kidding me! Check it out! Yes! That's what I wanted. I don't have that yet. And I just got it now from Bigw. Yes! Alright! Thank you for tuning in. It's Jacob Start the WWE Card Collector! What's the next one? Here we go. Oh my god, it's those dudes! I don't have them. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. 204. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. Double. God damn it. Double. Right. Next one. Yes! Randy Savage, Macho Man! There's the defining moments on eBay right now, and I really want it, but I can't afford it. It's Randy Savage. Look at that. Legend. That's fucking awesome. Oh, that... Woo! What a good pack of cards and snuck down. Tinkawa! Tinkawa! Oh, that is awesome. Oh, that is good. That is cool. Look at that. I love that legend. This is fucking awesome. How fucking shiny it is. And that's it. Thank you everybody for tuning in. And oh my god, I've got 3 more. 3 more? 2 more. This one and another one. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bigw. I have to get them. I just have to, man. Why can't I fucking... Yes! Open. Oh yeah! Bigw! Bigw Lanson. That's fucking awesome. Check it out, snuck down. That is awesome. Part of the New Day. Who's next? The Undertaker! That's fucking awesome. Another legend. I can't believe it. Oh my god. The Bushwhackers, bro! The Bushwhackers? Straight from New Zealand? That's fucking awesome, bro! That's awesome! Sweet as! Sweet as, bro! Or are they Australians? Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Oh, no, they're not. Alright, the Bushwhackers, that was awesome. Who the fuck? I think this is a double, motherfucker. This is a double, motherfucker. Here's a double, motherfucker. Here's a fucking... Where the fuck is the shiny? I didn't get a fucking shiny. You're fucking kidding me. What a fucking rip-off. Oh, is that the shiny? No. Fucking bullshit. There was no shiny in there. Those fuckers. Anyway. Jojo. The last one. The last pack of 5. Thank you for tuning in. This budget was huge. A $6 budget for this video. And thank you for tuning in. It's Jacob's the WWE card effing collector. Here we go, you just open it up. Oh, you're fucking... Oh my god! Is that 3 Sheilas? Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's fucking awesome. SmackDown. Wow. That is fucking awesome. Oh my heaven lord. British Bulldog? That's fucking awesome. How many like this is great. I should have got more. Fucking bullshit. Look at these fuckers. Do you know what we call these? A fucking... What is it? A fucking double. Right. Oh, Sami Zayn! Yes! Sami Zayn! Sami Zayn! Right. And the very last one, shiny motherfucker, The Miz and Daniel Bryan. So out of all that, that was fucking awesome. And thanks for tuning in. I only got 2 motherfucking shinies. That was fucked up, wasn't it? And 2 doubles, so I'm going pretty damn fucking good, aren't I? That's fucking awesome. Where was that shiny that I really, really liked? There it is. Jeff motherfucking Hardy. That's fucking awesome. What number is it? Number 50. That's fucked up. Like, I mean, fucking awesome good. Fucked up awesome. Awesome fucking good. Yes! Slam Attack Live! Thank you very much for watching, everybody.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Jacob's the WWE Action Figure Collector. And if you already have, thank you very much.